under the chin. I shall get some toothpick to show it for you, the details, and several contact marks as well, here as well, and some patinations, some spots here also above the B. The edge is in bad condition, as you can see. Not that good, as in first day it was struck, and luster is long gone, but reverse side has not good appealing. It has some unpleasant tones, but nevertheless we have less distractions in terms of contact marks here. So overall it is extremely fine specimen if we grade it by Sheldon scale. So mint mark D stands for, as always, Denver mint, and we should look for if how big was mintage and how valuable it can be in superb gem grades if you have one of those. Let's see. Okay, let's check out 1990, the Washington quarter. So we are referring to PCGS COİN information about COİN 1990D issue. So according to PCGS, the 1990D Washington quarter is a very common, as mint struck them in hundreds of millions. So the exact mintage is little less than 1 billion. It makes 927 million, over 927 million. But it is not silver. It's, as all circulation strike quarters, it is 75% copper, 25% nickel over pure copper center. So only examples in MS66 appear to be somewhat scarce, but still easily obtainable at very small premium. Examples in MS67 condition are really scarce, with less than a few dozen known. There is at least one known example in PCGS MS67 plus condition, but none have been graded higher. But this information could be outdated, I must confess, because sometimes you check their condition census and you see that they have more than few. They are a little bit lazy updating some information. So it is good to double check, how to say in English, to fact check in other sources as well before confirming for yourselves. Okay, so you see there is one finest specimen in MS68 grade, but that one was graded by NGC, not PCGS. So ultimate rarity is MS68 grade, superb gem condition. Now let's find out the price guide. For example, it states that its rarity scarcity level starts from MS66. So in MS6, if you have these 1990 link Washington quarter from Denver in uncirculated superb gem condition and it is graded MS66, then you probably have something between $8 to $25 according to sales listings. Now MS67 grade, if you have MS67 gem, with almost no distractions and no contact marks, then your coin is worth between $48 to $235. So the exact price change depending on supply and demand and collectors' interest and activity during coin auctions. But when you submit them to coin shops, there is high probability that you will get, if you have less information and you encounter indecent coin shop owner, you will get fooled. Okay, let's see. An MS68 specimen according to PCGS, the one and only for now, graded by NGC. It is a guiding price for that is $4,500, believe it or not. Okay, let's go to, so now approximate condition. So in circulated condition it is worth maybe a few cents above its face value.